guys, welcome back to my channel. And Saviland went ahead and sent me some goodies, and I figured I would go ahead and get this up since we are running out of time for that super bright look before fall. Anytime I think, you know, July comes, and then August, I'm like, okay, it's fall. So this is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right off the bat, I wish there was a I wish there was a purple. You guys know, anytime I get a rainbow setting, I would love a purple. So just gonna put that out there. Also, I have used this brand for quite some time. These have been in my videos, gosh, forever. Obviously it needs to be mixed. So I am not new to the brand, but they did send this to me and I have purchased from them in the past. Starting out with the red, and the number is engraved into the bottom, so there's no sticker. I don't know what color it is unless I am blind. Oh, okay, so these are slanted. I guess that's what they mean by French. So, I mean, okay. I've never used... Okay, I can get used to that. I usually do my French very different than this, but if that's gonna make it easy, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the whole thing. Interesting. Next up is number 10, and this looks like the pink. Super pretty pink. This would be good even going into fall. Now let's say you wanted to apply this with a normal brush instead of that angle brush. You could just put some on a palette, and I have the Madam Glam application brush, and just use this to apply it, or sweep it off the head of the brush. But it's really easy to modify how you can use something. So far the coverage is fantastic. Happy about that. Next up is this neon orange, and this is number 8, and it is as neon as the bottle shows. That is some neon color. And this was number 8, by the way. This is number 10, which is the yellow. And that is also super, super, super neon. That is so nice. Next is the neon green, and this is number 3. Again, a very neon color. These have great coverage, especially if you are going to use a slanted brush to do a French. You're going to need it to have really good coverage. Last but not least, number 6? 9? 6 or 9? I actually like this navy blue. It's a very standard blue, so it's not leaning, you know, too purple or too green. Like, it's just a solid blue. Does that make sense? I feel like so many colors these days are shifting one way or the other. All right, let's put them to the test. Let's see if I can do this. I am really bad at hand painting. It'll be interesting to see how well this works.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands.
What I noticed, let me wipe off the brush here. The angle I was thinking that it would be easier to go down like this. It's not, for me personally. It's much easier for me to drag it up on each side and then fill in the sides with that pointed piece. I'm gonna see if my theory is correct here and that it is easier for me personally.
When people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes.
Yeah, that's pretty simple.
Seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even
All right, I really want to try this blue, and since I'm doing rainbows, because blue is going to show everything. This is a very dark color, so let me...
if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
So what I'm noticing is I'm not getting all the way to the end, which I would expect actually. So all you would do is take that gel polish, bring it down, and then he's down to the side. All right, we'll just go backwards here. Now I'm trying to think if this is making it easier for me, and I want to say yes. I really do. So I'm finding that this is really easy if I was going to do a pointed look. It is a little bit harder to get that curve. So I kind of just bring it over and then bring it over until I get that curve that I like. I mean, that's pretty easy. My nails are grown out, so there's a little bit of a bulge there. So you're not wanting to put a lot of pressure on it, especially getting the first one. Whoa, I went too far.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in.
Definitely takes some practice, but I'm getting there. All right, the orange may be my favorite.
We a life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single.
Taking Madame Glam shiny, or should I do matte? Let's do matte. I think these will look cute. So these are shiny, FYI.
Word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
They're normal size bottles. They're not quite as large as like the 15 millimeter. Does it say how much is in here? 0.33 ounces. How much is that? These are a little bit more than half of a normal size bottle. A normal size bottle is 0.5. This is 0.338, so 0.34. All right, here is the finished look. I realize I did not do a second coat, but it's okay. The first coat, it came out really well. Let me shift that yellow. Disappears. These are great. They definitely take a moment to get used to. I'm not used to doing a French with a brush like that, but I think with a little bit more practice, it would do well. So, all right guys, Thank you again, Saviland, for sending these over. I will go ahead and have them linked below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.